Morning, guys. Just woke up. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. Let's get this money. All right, so just made some coffee here and I'm about to jump on the computer. The first thing I like to do is check my emails and then fulfill my Etsy orders just to get it out the way. Here we are on my Printful dashboard. This is who I use to fulfill my Etsy orders. Printful, love them, always use them, like them better than Printify. But you're going to see that I have 3 orders. I actually had 5 orders on Etsy, but 2 of them were digital downloads. I sell both digital downloads and physical products or print-on-demand products on my Etsy shop. So these are the 3 orders that I got to fulfill today. Okay, so it is 6 a.m. in the morning right now. You can see right up here, 6:04 it says. But one of the things I like to do right after I finish fulfilling my Etsy orders is just go to Flying Research. I get into this daily habit where I just like to check pretty much every day to see what is trending. And so here we are on Flying Research. You can see right here, I'm on the seller trends. And if we just take a quick look, I didn't really see anything pretty much pop out, anything kind of new, just kind of all the stuff we've already seen, like Mardi Gras, Valentine's Day. The only one that kind of caught my eye was this one right here. Let me see if I can do this. I still read fairy tales, but for the villains. Now, I don't know if this is trademark or if this is from like a Taylor Swift song, so you have to, do your research, Google it, see where it comes from. But, this, might have some potential basically. So just want to share with you that. Now I'm going to go ahead and start uploading onto Merch by Amazon. So you can see right here, I haven't uploaded anything today, 0 sales, just the beginning of the day. And I figure I might as well just show you kind of like my setup here. So, I got the photo of my son right here. I got my goals for Merch by Amazon. I made a video about this. This is the ultimate goal right here, $10,000 income a month. And then I also have my habit tracker. So I keep track of all my daily habits that I'm trying to accomplish. So now I'm gonna go ahead and upload for about an hour and 15 minutes. Usually I would upload till about 7:15 and then take my son to school, but my son is sick today, so I'm not gonna do that, and gonna go walk down to McDonald's and do some more uploading, so I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so I've been uploading on Merch by Amazon for about an hour now. You can see it is 7:23, and I did about 12 designs, or I did 12 designs, and that's gonna put me at 102 for today. But now I need to take a little break, and I'm gonna go walk down to McDonald's and continue uploading some more designs. So see you when I'm down there. So here's how I'm looking. It is a little cold still here in Mexico, so I got the jacket on. So I'm about to walk down to McDonald's. And then as we leave, I got these things on my wall that I like to look at right before I leave, just to keep me in a good positive attitude. So have faith, for I'm with you, God. And I also like this one right here that says, I always have more than enough. This is just a way that helps me stay in a nice, abundant mentality or attitude. So let's get it, let's go. So this is how my street looks like down here in Mexico. Sometimes people ask me if Mexico is safe, and Puerto Vallarta is very safe here. Really never had anything really happen to me in the 18 years I've been here. Yes, there are some dangerous places, but for the most part, Puerto Vallarta is extremely safe. Here we got some guys playing some fronton tennis. I live right next to the stadium. It's a big sports center, baseball fields, softball fields, soccer fields, basketball courts, tennis, a whole bunch of sports. So this is a neighborhood that I like living in. All right, so I just showed up to McDonald's, and one of the reasons why I like working here is because it got really fast internet. The coffee is cheap. It's only 20 pesos, which is like $1.25, plus you get free refills, and you also get a nice view of the ocean while you're working. So I'll be here for about an hour or so uploading to Merch. All right, so I got my coffee, and I'm about to get started working on Merch here, and you can see while I was walking down here, I got 2 sales, so that's kind of cool. Hopefully get some more sales while I'm doing some work here at Mickey D's. Let's go. Okay, so right now it is about 9 o'clock, and I just got finished working about an hour at McDonald's. I was able to upload 8 more designs. That's gonna put me at 170 products for the day, and we still got a lot of the day left. But one of the things I like to do when I'm done finishing working at McDonald's, I like to come and just take a look at the ocean here. I'm gonna look at the bay just to kind of connect with nature, reflect on life, and just kind of clear my mind, find some peace. But here in Puerto Vallarta, this is the bay. It's one of the largest, natural, and deepest bays, I believe, in the world. You might have to fact check me on that. But it's just a really big bay here. This is the south towards the end there is Ms. Maloya, Malako on the beach, and then here we have the north side, the hotel zone. It's really nice area here in town. I like to come and spend a couple minutes, 5 minutes, just to kind of clear my mind and connect with nature. All right, I'm about to head back to the house and to get ready to go to the gym. Let's keep getting it. Okay, so I'm back home right now and I actually just uploaded a TikTok video to my TikTok channel. If you're interested, you can follow me on TikTok. Link is in the description. But basically, it is a TikTok video about the YouTube video that I just put out today about how you can niche down in the very competitive and popular Senior 2024 Proud Mom of a Graduate. We've all seen those t-shirts before. And let's just do a quick sales update for merch because sales are starting to come in. So now I'm at 5 sales and I have, $11.87 in royalties. You can see that I'm up to 170 products uploaded for today. But now it's time to get dressed and go to the gym. I'm actually feeling kind of tired. I don't really want to go, but you know, I got this word discipline at the top here, so I gotta do the things I don't like to do because I try and hold myself to a certain standard where I go to the gym at least 5 to 6 days a week. So no excuses, time to get dressed. Let's go to the gym. All right, so I'm all dressed and ready to go to the gym. Today, I believe I got legs. I'm gonna meet my gym bro, Ollie. He's from England. Hopefully he'll be there on time and we're gonna get after it. Okay, let's go. All right, so walking to the gym right now. It's actually just a 5-minute walk, so that's why I like where I live at because everything is really close. If I turn this around, let me see how I can do that. If I turn this around, you can see the nice mountains in the background. Here we got the church and just a couple more blocks and we'll be at the gym. Let's go. So I'm on my way to the gym about a block away and I figured I'd show you where my son and girlfriend live. So this is the apartment or condo that they live at. See, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna go up to the top here and show you the infinity pool. But this is 20,000 pesos a month. It's a 2-bedroom. It's pretty much fully furnished except for beds. 20,000 pesos is about $1,200, something like that. But let's go inside and let me show you the rooftop pool. I think you'll like it. Okay, so this is what the view looks like and what the pool looks like on the rooftop right here. You see it's got a real nice view. You can actually see the ocean. Sometimes you can see the whales when they're down here. Nice view of the city and the mountains. But my girlfriend and son, they get the nice condo with the pool. I get the small little apartment. I'm a pretty simple guy, you know, so I don't really need too much. Plus I like the location where it's at. But you can see how nice this is. Right now we don't really come up here too much because it's kind of cold. But when it's summertime, it's nice and hot. We'll be here pretty much every Sunday playing in the pool. My son loves it. We'll spend like about 2 hours up here, grab some pizza. It's great. So yeah, what do you guys think? Comment below. All right, so I just got done with the gym and now it's time to pick up some food for my first meal of the day. Let me turn the camera around so you can see where I'm gonna shop at. Okay, so this is a store that I get my meat and veggies from pretty much on a daily basis. It's like 2 blocks. My house is actually right down there where that green wall is. So it's actually really close. Everything is really close here in Mexico. So let's walk in here and say hello to my friends, see how they're doing. Okay, so this is my friend Chewy. He's the owner of the restaurant.
Yeah.
I mean, of the
Arriba los
shop.
Tules. Arriba el Tule, Jalisco.
And that's an aguacate, please.
Yeah, for today.
Yes, he just gave me this ceviche tostada right here. It's a very classic Mexican dish. No, ¿dónde? Okay, so I just finished cooking. I'm about to have my first meal of the day. I've actually been doing intermittent fasting for this whole month since January 1st. So my last meal was last night at 6:30. It is right now 11:36. So that is going to put me at, I believe, 17 hours of fasting. And this is a really good meal to break your first fast because it's 300 grams of steak or beef. That is going to give me 75 grams of protein. I got 3 fried eggs here. That's another, I think, like 18 grams. So maybe I'm somewhere around like 95. Then I have some avocado for fiber. So a really good way to break your fast. And then what I'm going to be watching is this video right here. So Philip Anders, he just put out a new video. And one thing I just want to talk about real quick is E versus E. So a lot of times for me, like sometimes I want to like entertain myself when I should be educating myself. So you know, I want to watch like football news, politics news, things like that. But if I can spend more time, you know, educating myself on things that might benefit me, you know, it's better. So just think about that next time, you know, you're on YouTube or watching TV or something. Try and watch something that is going to educate you versus entertain you, because this video right here, maybe it could teach me something. Maybe it could teach me or give me an idea about how to make a video for YouTube, or it's going to teach me how to make more money on merch by Amazon. So just try and be conscious of that, or I try and be conscious of that, you know, E versus E. How much am I educating myself and how much am I entertaining myself? But I'm freaking hungry. It's been 17 hours and I'm ready to eat. Let's go. Okay, so right now I'm here with my son, Maddox. We're just hanging out a little bit in the afternoon. I figure I'd give you guys a little tour of their apartment where they live. So let me turn this around and I'll show you guys. Max is gonna help us with the tour, right, Maddox? Say right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You. There we go.
Yeah.
All right, Max, you're gonna be our tour guide. Show us the house. So this is the master bedroom right here. That's the view of the street. Here we got the balcony. Here's our cat, Rocky. You say hi, Rocky? He just sleeps all day. And then here is Mag's room. Look how messy it is. Full of toys. This is where all my merch by Amazon royalties go. Spending toys on Max. Max, why is your room so messy? ¿Por qué está tan sucio tu cuarto? You don't want to talk. You're shy for the camera. Okay, here's the rest of the apartment. That's my girlfriend Denise talking to her cousin. Here's me working on some designs, Photoshop. And that's it. Okay, so it is currently 4:17 p.m. in the afternoon, and I'm about to have my second meal here, which is papaya with some almonds. Down here in Mexico, they got really good papaya. It's super good for you. I also have a nice cup of coffee, and once I'm done with that, I'm gonna start uploading onto merch by Amazon. So I actually uploaded 6 more designs when I was at my girlfriend's house. That's gonna put me at 230 uploads for today. And quick little sales update. So far, kind of slow. You know, 12 sales and only $12 or $13 in royalties. I had 4 returns. That kind of messed me up. But it's still early, you know, still early in the day. Hopefully things will pick up. Seems like things always kind of work themselves out, and I always end up doing around 30, 40, even maybe sometimes 50 or 60 bucks. So we're just gonna see how the evening goes, but I will keep you posted. I'm going to eat this and then get back to work. So let's go. Okay, so I'm about to have my third and final meal for the day. It's actually 6 p.m. So this is gonna be dinner. I won't eat anything until tomorrow at around 11, 12 o'clock. And what I'm having is 2 cans of tuna, a bell pepper, half an avocado, some onions, mustard, olive oil, and 4 fried eggs. It's basically low in calories, high in fats, high in protein. I probably could have done, you know, maybe 2 eggs and 2 egg whites, but just too lazy. So that's what I'm gonna be eating here for dinner, and let's just do another quick sales update because I was actually uploading for the past hour or so. I did another 9 or 10 designs. I'm not too sure. I'm starting to lose count here. But I'm somewhere around 35 or 36 designs for the day, and that is going to put me at 298 uploads for today. And I did have some sales come in, so now I'm up to 18 sales and up to $25. So hopefully sales can keep coming in. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then when I'm done with this, I'm gonna go walk down to the boardwalk. I'm gonna show you what the sunset looks like here, and I'm gonna go to Starbucks and I'm gonna continue uploading there, work there for about an hour or so. All right, I'll keep you guys posted. Let's go. All right, so I walked down to the boardwalk. They call it the Malecon here, and I made it just in time for the sunset. You get really good sunsets down here pretty much on a daily basis. But here you're gonna see the boardwalk or the Malecon. It's basically just a long stretch where people like to walk, watch the sunset, have a beer, just kick back and relax. We got some music going on over there. Yeah, I just want to show you the nice sunset. Check it out. So here's just a little bit more of the sunset. I want to show you these guys up here. They are Huichol Indians. They actually hang upside down from those ropes and swing all the way down to the bottom. It's pretty cool. They got the crowd kind of picking up here. And there they go. They're going to start swinging. Usually there's 4 of them, but it's pretty cool what they do. Yeah, check out the beach. Nice life here, a very simple life down here in Puerto Vallarta. That's why I like it. Very friendly, easy cost of living, safe, make money online. Good place to raise a family. A lot of sports, a lot of recovery. So yeah, come down and visit. All right, so I just got done working an hour and a half at Starbucks. I uploaded another 14 designs. That's gonna put me, I think, somewhere right around 48 designs for the evening. When I get back home, I'll show you my official stats, but I'm gonna do a little more walking on the boardwalk here and show you some of the street food that they show, or that they sell. I mean, maybe you guys will like that. Here's some of the food that they got. They got drinks, they got cakes, hot dogs. To be honest, I don't really eat too much of this stuff, but they got corn right here. Here's some more food that they got. Gotta stay away from the music because I don't want to get a copyright strike. So, what do you guys think? Would you eat this stuff? Oh man, the crepes. This is the best one right here. And they got some more cakes. And since I'm here, I figured I might as well show you how the church looks like at night. It's all lit up. It's very pretty. Got the nice crown at the top. Comment below what you guys think. Okay, so I just got back home a little bit ago. We can see that it is 10:03 p.m. in the evening. And here is how I did for the day with my upload. So it was 48 designs, which comes out to 398 uploaded, which is pretty good. And my sales for the day was 28 sales. So that's a good amount of sales, but not that good in royalties, only $26. The reason why is because I had 8 returns. Returns are kind of killing me. You know, that was like about maybe $14 I left on the table. So I probably would have had like, I don't know, maybe like $40 a day, but no big deal. Still having a good month. We're going to see that I'm sitting at 882 sales with $1,100 in royalties for the month. And there's still, I don't know, less than like a week left or something like that. But yeah, so that is basically how my day went for Merch by Amazon. And what I like to do right before I go to bed is I just like to do with this habit tracker. So if you guys were watching my video on goals that I set off earlier this month, I made this habit tracker. And so basically you're gonna see these are the certain habits that I want to do on a daily basis. And let's just go ahead and check this off because I'm about to go to bed. It's been a long day. So the first one is wake up at 5 a.m. and that one I did. And the next one is hit the gym. Yes, I was at the gym. Next one was fast for 16 hours. I also did that. Did not have any sugar or processed foods today. And let's see, what's the next one? Play basketball. I did not play basketball, so I've been not doing too well at that one. But the next one is stay sober. So I don't drink or smoke or do drugs. So check that one off. Pray. I'm about to pray right now after I finish recording this video. And I did not meditate today, and I did not journal. But this is my habit tracker. You can see where the holes are and what I've been really consistent at. But yeah, so that is going to be it for this video, for this vlog. If you guys like this kind of content, this vlogging content, let me know in the comments. I actually had a lot of fun making this type of videos, just something different. I'm trying to test out new content. So if you like these vlogging videos, let me know in the comments, like the video, and also make sure to subscribe if you want more Merch by Amazon content, Etsy content, or just POD content. All right, so thanks so much for watching. Hope you had fun watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.